Delicata Squash. It's not just for decorations, and no, I'm not going to juggle these babies. But what I'm going to tell you is how good they are for you. They're high in antioxidants, which means it boosts your immune system. High in vitamins A, C, essential minerals. High in fiber, which means it protects you from diabetes, obesity, and heart disease. So we're going to cook these babies, and I'm going to show you how to do it because I'm Dr. Goldstein. I'm a chiropractor in Lynbrook, New York, and I'm going to give you some health tips and strategies on how you can get healthy. So let's go do it. So I got my magic cutting board here, so we're going to do this real quick. Go chop, chop, chop. So it's all cut in half. Now all we got to do, scoop the seeds. So the seeds are out. The great thing about Delicata Squash is that you can actually eat the skin after it's been roasted. So now we're going to use the same magic cutting board, and we're going to start slicing this stuff. So we've cut them into half moon shapes. Now they're ready for the roasting pan. So I got some extra virgin olive oil, patient brought for me from Greece. Thank you very much, George. And we're going to coat it with some olive oil, a little salt, and some pepper. I'm going to mix that with my hands and then right in the oven. So these are ready to roast at 425 for 30 to 40 minutes. Halfway through, we're going to turn them so that we can caramelize them, and they're going to be delicious. Keep watching. So these are the Delicata, fresh out of the oven. 425, 40 minutes, flip them, and they're done. So now for the tasting. So the Delicata just came out of the oven. They caramelize, which sweetens the sugars that are already naturally in them. And they really do taste like candy. Your kids are going to love them. They're delicious. Follow my channel so you can see more information on tips and strategies on how to get healthy. See you in the next video. Oh yeah.